those wispy tails, guys? Those are called mare's tails, which say we could get rain within 48 to 72 hours. I hope that's the truth. Well, about the only thing thriving in here, guys, is the okra. You can see they're beautiful plants. A big old zucchini plant. And cantaloupes. Peppers are not looking so hot, guys, but we're not giving up on them. Tomatoes, woo-wee. Yeah, I don't know that we're gonna be able to keep these going, but Greg took some cuttings from these and planted them today for backup. But yeah, they're looking pretty harried and pretty scary. So don't freak out, it's me. Yesterday, I had some skin cancer removed from my face. I had a suspicious spot and I went and had it checked out, and they gave me the option of 20 radiation treatments or to get it cut out. So these next pictures I'm going to show you is not for the faint of heart. So if you get queasy at any of this, you're going to want to fast forward, or you're going to want to stop the video right now. So for you youngins out there, this is a testament that how quite possibly 40 years catches up to you. There was a time when I was about 18 years old, I went down to Galveston, Texas. Got so sunburned that I had a water blister on my chin. And here I am, fixing to turn 57 years old. So it's been almost 40 years later, and pow, that thing popped up. It's been there. You might have seen on some of my other videos where they did the biopsy, they cut it out. And so this is, or that, what you just saw, is the effects of that. So I have me a new hat that I'll start to wear, guys, to cover up my face, because I had some precancerous things on my face over here and over here, and I had one here last year, and I'm not really sure. I'm wondering if it's the sun coming through my glasses and magnifying, because it's really odd to me that it's right there. But this bandage here has to stay on till tomorrow afternoon, and then I can take it off and rebandage it. But it doesn't look really pretty, guys, but I'm just thankful that we caught it early. So we're trying to determine what we're going to do in here. We got to get ready for our fall planting. Greg has started a lot of seeds, and so we have to make room for them. So probably many of these tomato plants are going to come up. We're going to try to save a couple and save those ones that we started from cuttings. And then we're going to make room for our whole fall crop, which is going to be greens and lettuces and spinach and cauliflower and broccoli and lettuces and onions and beets and turnips. So that's what we're getting ready to do, guys, and it's coming really, really close for you to start planting and planting those items. So I hope I didn't gross you out too much, guys, but that's the gist of it. We do need rain. We need rain desperately. We are burning up 102, 103 degrees every day. Strong south wind. Had the fire out in Possum Kingdom, I know is contained. The one in Somerville County, which is Glen Rose, is not contained. We had another big fire in Rendon. There's fires all over North Fort Worth. Just everywhere there's fires. So the concern is still there. And so you guys pray for us and pray that those wispy tails up there mean rain. That's your update for today. I'm going to go in and rest a little bit. It's hard sometimes to talk, and it's certainly very hard to eat. But anyway, we will be in touch this weekend. Stay tuned. We got some more things going on. We love you all. Take care. God bless, and see you soon.